Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. You know why you're here, you know why I'm here too. It is time to reveal the October BoxyCharm theme. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment on my last video, which was the Ipsy October bags revealed. Congratulations, Paula McClements. I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me, Paula. You know I can't pronounce nothing. Anyways, Paula says, love the Betty Boop bag. Well, I do too, Paula. I really do love the Betty Boop bag, the Betty Boop makeup that they're doing, and everything. And I appreciate you having your bell on, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now, guys, if you yourself would like to have a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick from that video. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and reveal this. Now this is going to be a short video because I did spoilers in a separate video. So if you want to see October spoilers for BoxyCharm, I will leave them linked below so you could go check them out. But the theme for October is Boxy After Dark. I absolutely love it. It goes with Halloween. It goes with October. It's giving me fall vibes. I'm so ready for fall. I've been ready for fall since fall ended of last year. Or this year. Whenever that ends, you know what I mean. I love fall. I love winter. I could only stand about a week of summer and then I'm done. But I do love the theme. So let me know what you think about the theme down there in the comments below. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked down there if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked from that video. Congratulations, Sharon Wolf. Sharon says, new subscriber here, but loving your channel. Sharon, thank you so much, honey, and welcome to the family. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now remember, guys, leave a comment if you would like to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my likes, my comments, my subscribers. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? Why don't you just comment that down below? I would sure like to know why you're not subscribed. It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need you to rate the video, if you would, please. But you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more videos of mine. You'll catch every upload. You'll be way ahead. You'll know all the spoilers. You'll be ahead of everybody, y'all. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And as soon as they reveal anything else, of course you know I'm going to keep y'all updated. Because I always keep y'all in the loop. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.